doing all of that stuff, right? So I would put him at that level. And I think Mkwanazi and them were correct to tell us that he's at that level. I don't think he's the main guy because still he's reporting. He's reporting to Hangwani, right? Who we didn't get a lot of questions about. But at least they asked towards the end, right? A few people did ask about Hangwani and us, but they didn't go as deep. I wanted a Bushiri moment. Go deeper, Papa. Go to the whole. Because we need clarifications. Even the tender in Northwest, right? There seems to have been an involvement of Hangwani and Vusi Matlala there because remember Vusi Matlala was now giving Brown Mokotsi advice. And Brown is like, Vusi is advising me. Alu Construction. Remember that tender?
Yes.
How much money do you need? How many Ferraris can you buy, bro?
Supercars are expensive. But it's not just him. So I think the reason why they end up having to steal these large amounts of money is because you have to cut a lot of people in. So even if it is, if you steal 100